Hi, I'm Kasha Klinegores, Director of Academic and Career Advising, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how college impacts your career development. So the number one reason that people report going to college is to find a good job or start building a great career for after they graduate. So finding a school that has really dedicated career services is very important. I would recommend looking for schools that either require professional development courses or place a strong emphasis and priority on career development because that is going to help you build skills and experiences that are ultimately going to help you later in life. Many colleges have career services that cover things like mock interviews, resumes, and cover letters. They can help you with your job search. But some colleges have more individualized support where you can get tailored help based on your interests, your values, what you are looking for in a career. So I would recommend looking for schools that have really personalized support. Internships are a really important piece to career development because they can help you build skills and competencies like critical thinking, communication, problem solving, skills that employers across all industries are looking for. They can help you test out a career, so you might not quite be sure what you want to do, but internships can help you clarify if you would like to do a job like that after graduation where you don't have to commit to a full-time role. You can test it out in an internship. They also help you build your resume so you can get lots of great experiences and additional things to put on your resume. And they can help you build your network. So at your internship, you're going to meet a lot of different people who now are in your professional network who may be able to help connect you to great jobs and opportunities after graduation.